child care providers. I'm Ann from Heartland Child Nutrition. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to tell you how peanut butter may be used as a meat alternate in the child and adult care food program. When grocery shopping, be sure you are choosing a full-strength peanut butter. If the label has the word spread after the words peanut butter, the product is not all peanuts and therefore can't count as a meat alternate for the food program. Let's take a look at the label on this peanut butter, and you'll notice the word spread appears after the words peanut butter. If you don't intend to use peanut butter as a meat alternate, the spreads are fine to use if you prefer them. But if you want your peanut butter to count as a meat alternate in the reimbursable meal or snack, then be sure you are choosing an all peanut product. Here in this jar, we also see on the label that it is just a peanut butter spread. Well, peanut butter cannot be used to fulfill the entire meat alternate requirement at lunch or supper. And that's because it results in an unreasonable amount for a young child to be expected to eat. For example, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter equals a ½ ounce meat alternate. So to meet the requirements, say for a 4-year-old, which would be 1½ ounces of meat alternate, the amount of peanut butter would look like this: 3 tablespoons. It's a lot of peanut butter. Add to that another tablespoon if you're serving, say, a school-aged child. A peanut butter sandwich with 1½ ounces of peanut butter on it would look like this. So because of this, peanut butter can only make up part of the meat alternate requirement in a lunch or supper. A second meat alternate would need to be served in order to fulfill the whole requirement. This would mean you would only need to serve peanut butter in, say, an amount of perhaps a tablespoon, and add a second meat alternate, such as 1 ounce of string cheese, and together the peanut butter and string cheese would fulfill the entire amount needed. This would be another example of coupling peanut butter with another meat alternate in order to meet the entire requirements for that component. A second meat alternate does not have to be served at snack time along with peanut butter, as the amounts of meat alternate are less in snack than they are in a lunch or supper. To credit as a meat alternate, the minimum serving size is a ½ ounce or 1 tablespoon for a 3 to 5-year-old, and for a 6 to 12-year-old it would be 2 tablespoons. And here's a few last reminders about peanut butter in the CACFP. Before putting it on your menus, consider the ages you are caring for. Peanut butter is considered a choking hazard for young children, and peanut butter should not be served as a meat alternate to infants. Other nut butters, such as almond butter or sunflower seed butter, could also be credited in the same manner as you would peanut butter. And be sure you consider any peanut allergies that might be present in the kids you care for. Thanks for watching. And here's a peanut butter joke you can tell your after-school bunch. Did you hear the secret about peanut butter? I can't tell you because you might spread it.